I'm with my accountant, Samer. We built a bunch of stuff together over the last little while. Samer, I'll let you introduce yourself because I don't want to take away the shine.
My name is Sam. I'm the owner of Tohme Accounting. I'm the founder and the managing partner of the company. I started this company about 12 years ago, and now we have 6 employees. We do cross-border taxation, capital gains, tax planning across Canada and the US for many
Cool.
business owners.
That's awesome. I didn't realize it'd been that long. That's
Yeah,
cool.
time flies.
Yeah, time flies and you're having fun.
Oh, yeah.
What's it called? I think the most interesting part is when you came to me, and it kind of sounded like you'd been trying to use AI and like implementing all these things and just trying to get ahead of the curve, I guess is the word. I'm curious what like challenges were in your business or like just what issues that kind of had you out looking to implement, software or AI in general.
Well, accounting is generally it's generally labor intensive. It takes a lot of time to prepare a proper product to the client. Now, I know, and prior to me reaching out to you, I was already playing with ChatGPT very early on. And I was looking and searching and trying to find a way to further automate certain tasks that were very laborious and very repetitive. And that's where you came along.
Yeah, just fell out of the sky. No, I'm curious. I'm curious what the goal was, right? Because there's a bunch of obviously like save money, but like not have to hire as many people, or like just specifically like what did you have in mind?
Well, for me, it was always 2 goals. One, to reduce the human error element, right? Because obviously, if you have a software doing the same work, for sure you're not going to get any mistakes, right?
Yeah,
Whereas with an individual, if you're feeling sick or if you're tired or if you've been working long hours, it's very likely that there could be an issue or a problem. And in accounting, you can't have mistakes. It has to be as perfect as possible. So there's that, the human error side. And then 2, well, obviously to reduce time. So in an economic environment where inflation is rising, cost of everything is rising, I can't continuously raise my prices because the end client he himself may not be able to raise his prices to his end users. So if my client is unable to increase his revenue, they're going to look for ways to cut costs.
yeah,
Right? So by automating and using AI, I can cut down the costs for many of my clients.
yeah. Cool. Um, Based on all the things that we've already kind of built or are working on, like the OCR, the invoice, all of that stuff. Do you think that it's helped you, get well on the way to that goal of, cutting costs and
Oh, absolutely.
removing the
Absolutely.
and all that?
The OCR part, it easily saved 25% in terms of time. So, and that's
Yeah,
huge.
that's awesome.
Whether I decide to take advantage of that time for myself or to get 25% more clients, either way, it's a huge reduction in time and cost.
Yeah, just depends what you want to do with the
Yeah,
time or
exactly. Yeah.
the time or the money. Yeah, that's awesome. I guess just last question, because I feel like that goes over pretty well. What have you been most impressed with? And then, I'm curious what you like see for the future. I guess, we just spent an hour and a half talking about it, but
Most impressed with you or with the AI or
just, AI, like I'm curious what things caught you off guard, because I feel like every time I release something, you're like, oh my God, this is
yes,
amazing.
because every time I chat with you in regards to a problem that we're having, I could never imagine like the end product because you just tell me, yeah, it'll work. Don't worry. I'll just train it on this and it'll work. But I can't envision the end product. So I don't know what I'm getting. And then you launch it like the demo, or you show me the video on Vimo, and it just makes
Yeah.
sense.
Oh, that's awesome.
So
It looks like magic.
yes,
That's what I was
that's
just. Well, it feels like
that's the best
me
way to
too.
describe it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. That's basically everything I wanted to go over and just get it. But yeah, I'm excited. It's already been what, probably like 6 months working at this
Hmm.
now. I feel like we have, quite a lot more to go out and accomplish. But yeah.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
It'll be very good.
All right.